if you have routines in here and you don't have them set for automatic, maybe you just don't want certain things to be done automatically, or it just doesn't work well to do automatic. And the automatic piece is just that it's active. And if that particular date field changes, then it would just automatically start it. Well, there may be times when, like for a new listing or something, that you don't necessarily want to start it just as soon as the new listing field gets filled in or something like that, and you want to do it manually. By now you can go into your property, whatever property is that's got that listing, go to your listings area and make sure that all of your fields are filled in that the way you want. And in here, you want to move that up a little bit. In your calendar tab, you now have a start routine for this listing. So whenever I start this routine, it'll pull up my list of routines for a listing, and I can select it and then start it manually if I want.